He's going to cheat in the lane. He's going to jump for passes. He's going to do all that stuff. You must use your fakes. You must be strong with the basketball, okay? Do not let them outwork you. That's my whole thing. Yep. If we're going to be down, if we're going to be undermanned, when we play bad teams like Berjumpa, they play harder than us. So we should play harder than them right now. That's the most important. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Go!
Let's go, boys.
Rebound dulu, baru pergi.
Here we go. Just us on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go.
Execute on 3. 1, 2, 3. Execute. Hey, we're in black. We're in black. We're in black. We're in black. We're in black.
Let's go.
Halo.
Alright, we just wasn't enough, but it's okay. Alright, you guys played hard. We're gonna learn so much from this video, and we're gonna see a lot for ourselves, right? A lot of this layups, right in front of the rim, stuff like that. Open threes. Offense is really working, guys. really working. Wide open looks, we're getting shots all over, just missing. I think we're probably under 30% from the field, probably under 20% from three. So that's why, you got 46 points. Overall, I saw the fight was there, so I'm not really upset at that, but we got to look at this, flush it, and then move on. We know that we're going to have all of our people back, and then it'll be a much different story, but I appreciate and respect the fight. Yeah, here we go.
Jasa on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Jasa.
Halo Bang, sehat.
Kabar guys.
Welcome back.
Elai, apa kabar Elai? Welcome back.
Welcome to C-Tra again. Gimana Bang?
Ya seru sih nonton tadi teman-teman Prawira bisa fight lawan Borneo walaupun nggak ada pemain asingnya, tapi apresiasi lah maksudnya di lapangan hasilnya keren sih. Nggak sabar buat ntar bisa ketemu di regular season.
So I've been knowing Ninja for a long time since Surabaya. I appreciate everything you've done for this team. You came here in your first year and won a championship. So I know you're so proud of that in your home area, city type thing, which is a beautiful thing. Coming from a place like Berjumpa and Pacific, it's very rare to go get a championship after that. So I'm very proud of you to do that. And playing internationally, BCL, do all those special things that you're able to do. And just continue to help build this culture at this team. So I'm so happy for you to go do what you want and go explore somewhere else and go hopefully do well except against us. We will definitely miss you. But thank you for everything you've done and your contributions to this team, and I appreciate you. Hey, let's get a breakdown on intro.
Family on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Hei, wah, mau pindah lu? Ya sudah.
Kesan-kesan selama berkarir sama Prawira sama 2 tahun ini, Kak?
Banyak kenangan, apalagi kan ini tim kota kelahiran ya, Jawa Barat. Banyak banget sedih. Harus meninggalin keluarga di sini ya kan. Terus ya kerja keras bareng-bareng. Nggak tahu bisa saya. Tim mau ngapain juga. Gitu.
Ada pesan-pesan buat Prawira Family, enggak?
Buat Prawira Family, kalian the best selama saya berkarir di basket. Mohon maaf, saya harus ninggalin tim karena ada urusan lain. Saya harap nanti bisa ketemu lagi ya.
Thank you, Mbak.
Sampai jumpa.
Apa kabar?
Sehat.
Sehat. Gimana nih bisa main lagi balik di Coach C-Tra?
Senang bisa balik ke Bandung, bisa ketemu teman-teman, bisa ketemu keluarga juga.
Tapi tadi main feels like home nggak?
Feels like home lah, masih feels like home banget lah.
Masih. Oke. Sukses ya, Ko.
Thank you.
Ketemu di regular season.
Siap.
Bye.
Bye.